Hello, my name is Glenn Garrett Grayson, pastor of Wesley Center Amy Zion Church and the founder and CEO of the Center That Cares, which stands for Children/Adults Recreational and Educational Services. 20 years ago, about 6 young people kind of met me at the door as I put the key into the church with needing something to do, giving birth to We Care, and I founded the Center That Cares.
Over the past 20 years, CARES has grown in response to the needs of the youth and the families that we serve within the Hill District and surrounding neighborhoods. The program that we offer is strategic to address the needs of our family, the youth, and the community. The goal is to provide enriching activities and experiences that help to transform the lives of the students that we serve. Not only our students, but our families, we provide wraparound services, trips, travel, and so much more.
CARES is just a caring institution where our staff, many who've been with me since inception, continue to pour into the lives of our young people each and every day.
I like the fact that a lot of our staff are from the neighborhood, so they know the children personally too. So if a child is acting out of line, which we know they do, they'll say, "Do I need to make that phone call?" And the children respond like, "Oh, she'll call mom."
I've been coming to CARES since I was 3 years old. I've been through the whole program, elementary school, middle school, high school, and then they hired me. I am the face of CARES. Being here is like having another family. You have the people you could play with all day. You have people to help you with homework, people you could talk to about anything, any problems you have. And they're always here to listen. They're very helpful.
We at CARES offer culturally responsive programming designed to strengthen youth academically, socially, and emotionally. We have deep-rooted ties to the community, partnerships with schools, libraries, churches.
We make our kids feel very proud of 15219, but we stress the importance of learning and going beyond your comfort zone. And so many people have a fear of leaving their comfort zone, but we empower our comfort zone and the great history of the Hill District, but then we really try to expose and travel, and we've gone to Jamaica and Ghana, Northern Ireland, and a group of young ladies this summer are on their way to Trinidad. That's what we do, because that experience just is transformative and just changes lives. It empowers them and gives them something to talk about and tell a story, and it really enhances their resume, and we've seen where they go from here.
Part of the reason that we're CARES is that we care about our community, we care about our neighborhood, and we care about each other. We are more than an acronym. We are family, we are love, and we give back all that we have and more.
The most important thing about, I think, the Center That Cares is that it is a family, and our children feel safe and loved, supported. We meet you where you are, and we just try to take you to the next level. You kind of tell us what you want to become, and we try to find the resources and the support to get you there. And so it's just an exciting place. It's been a wonderful place for single parent moms who just have to work full time, and we provide a safe haven and an educational opportunity for their children.
I like to see people younger than me grow to be into big things. So coming here, it pleases me to help the youth grow into adults. Like get into occupations and careers that they love to be in and want to be in. Like people to see me in this uniform, it gives them hope.
We have young people who've gone on to get their masters and PhDs. We have young people who've gone to the service. We have young people who've graduated from college and who've come back to return. We have some people who come and still intern while they're in college. So CARES is just a caring place, and we're glad to serve this community for the last 20 years. God bless and thank you.